A lot better job. I mean, look at the thickness. Really smooth, like the solder. Smoother than the solder itself. But this is really smooth. Well, it's gonna get right down to here. But these are how you do soldering joints. They're really easy to do. I recommend doing them if you want to get to circuitry in the future, like soldering capacitors and stuff to breadboard. Circuit board. This one got broke. Yeah. Oh, you want some copper? It's like really strong compressed copper. And you rip it. You can put pins and all that crazy shenanigans on circuit boards. So pin headers, so you could make an Arduino or something. I mean, like, really. Like, watch, bruh. You can solder anything to a circuit board, and I ain't gonna do that right now because I am your #1 fan. Just take a capacitor or something. Put to. Because that one just came from a circuit board. But like let's say if you want to take a copper wire, you can solder anything to it, like any electrical stuff to not breadboard, to a circuit board, like what I ain't going to perform right now. I think it's this one. Oh yeah, this cable. This is the cable I was gonna do for the video that ran out of time, but it just likes to jump. Like slow-mo. Slow-mo. Can't see it anymore. Sorry, I got some wire. And it could be as long as it needs to. And you could stick it in a pinhole. There, just slides through like this. Keep this leftover wire right there. Time for soldering. Just solder like what I'm doing right now, like I just did before. Solder your soldering pencil tip. Ooh, it's really hot. Like so. And snip off the leftover wire. That's it. Thanks, please like, subscribe, comment.